Hello, this is Amar Kulkarni. Welcome to my presentation on how to join Google Classroom and how to submit assignment. Google Classroom is a virtual classroom. It is one of the best tools of ICT. Most of the teachers using Google Classroom to provide study material to the student as well as assignment quizzes. So after providing, student can solve and submit assignment quiz. After that, teacher can grade those submitted assignment and quizzes and release the score. After completion of this presentation, you will be able to join Google Classroom through mobile by using class code. You will be able to join Google Classroom through desktop PC or laptop by using class code. In this presentation, we will see how to join Google Classroom by using mobile and how to join Google Classroom by using PC or laptop. In that, we will see how to join Google Classroom by using mobile. For that purpose, it is necessary to open the mobile. After that, just go to the Play Store. So this window will be open. So by using search option, you can search for Google Classroom by putting Google Classroom. After that, you will get this window. In front of Google Classroom, there is an install button. So you can install by clicking on install button. After that, this window will be open, means you have installed Google Classroom. After that, you just click on open button. So it will take you in this window. After that, you just click on get started button. So it will ask for your Gmail account. So it is necessary to sign up with Gmail account. So you have to join by putting your mail and by submitting the password. After that, you will get this window. So here you can see Google Classroom. In front of that, there is a plus sign. So by clicking on plus sign, you will join for your class. So you can see here, this is one class I have joined earlier. So this is another class that I have created. This is one class that I have created. So after clicking on this plus button, you will get these two options, that is join class and create class. So after clicking on join class, you will get this window to join the class. So you just see here, this is a join button, but this is not a visible. That is, it will be visible after putting class code here. So you can ask your teacher for class code. So after filling correct class code, so this join button will be open. Just see here. So that this will be open by filling the correct class code. If the class code is not correct, so this button will not be in blue. So after that, you just click on join button and you can join your class. We have seen how to join Google Classroom by using mobile. You can also join Google Classroom by using desktop, PCs or laptop. Just see. For that purpose, it is necessary to open google.com. So here if you have already signed, so you will get this window. So by clicking on right side these 9 buttons, that is Google app, this window will be open. So by scrolling, you just search classroom. See here. So by clicking on classroom, you can go to your classroom. So just see here, these are the 3 classes. This first class, that is B Farm and M Farm 1, that I have joined earlier. These 2 class that I have created for my students. So just see how to join the class. So you just click on this plus sign. So it will take these 2 options, join class and create class. So by clicking join class, you can join the class. So after that, it will ask for class code. So for that purpose, you can ask your teachers for class code. So here you have to put correct class code. For example, so this is I have put it for demo purpose. This is not a correct class code. So after that, you just click on join button. So this will not open because I have put it wrong class code. So you just put the correct class code to join the class. Here one another way is there to join class. So just I'm sign out here. You just go to google.com, or you can directly search here Google Classroom. So you will get this window. So in first search, you just click on the first search. So it will take to this page. So you just click on go to classroom. So it will ask to sign with Google account, that is Gmail account. So you just sign in with Gmail account. So here I'm signing with my Gmail account. So it will take directly to the Google Classroom. Okay. So you just click on plus button and just join class, and here you have to put correct class code and just join. After, you will be in your class. Hope you all understand how to join the Google Classroom. Next, we will see how to submit assignment. So you just click on your class. So I'm just clicking here, so that I have already submitted all the assignments. So I'm just viewing all. So just take short answer based questions. I'm seeing here details. So for that question, you just click on that particular assignment. So you will get the questions. So this assignment I have already submitted. Okay. So these are the questions. What are the features of Google Classroom? So these assignments was for me, so that I have already submitted. So you just see how to submit. So we just take the questions from this window, just go to your class, then write your answers in this window, that is your answer window. After that, after completing the assignment, so here there is a one window that is turn in. So after completing the assignment, you just click on turn in. Turn in means you have submitted your assignment. I failed to find here the turn in option because this assignment which is already graded. If the assignment is not graded, so here is an one tab, one option, that is turn in. Let's see another example. For that, you just go to your class by clicking on class. So here, if your teachers have provided any assignment, so you will see here. So just I am viewing this. So just take another example how to submit the assignment. So I'm taking this example. So this is an example. So you just click on that particular assignment. After that, just click on view details. So this is an, so to take this quiz, you just go to this link. After that, you have to solve all these questions with your, just come at the top, copy this link and go to your class. So after submitting the quiz, you have copied that. So you just come here to your work, you just add or create, you just click on this tab. So I have copied link, that's why I am selecting link here. After that, I have pasting this link, then click on add link. So the link will be stored here. After that, you have to click here in this button, that is turn in. So after turn in, it indicates you have completed your assignment. So I'm turning in here. Just click on again turn in. So your assignment is submitted. Hope you all are understand all these things, that is how to join Google Classroom and how to submit the assignment. Lastly, thank you. If you have any queries, you can contact me on these contact. Thank you very much.